Osimo Daktari here. Now, hi doc. I've been having a cough for the last 3 days. Kindly prescribe for me some antibiotic to take. Well, that is one of the common requests we healthcare providers we do get every other day. But the question is, does every cough need an antibiotic? The answer is no. Not every cough requires an antibiotic. And this is why. Not every cough that is caused by a bacteria. And for that case, an antibiotic may not have any role in such a condition. Most coughs can be caused by viral infection. For instance, flu. It can be COVID. It can be just a common cold. And these are conditions that don't require an antibiotic. Number 2, it could be allergies. Especially now, this is July, it's very cold, and some people get allergies. And one of the responses to allergies is cough. Especially, early morning coughs when it's cold. Some people have allergies to cold, to dust, even to some pollen grains. They get allergies and they start coughing. For this case, an antibiotic is not required. Another thing is asthma. People who have asthma, sometimes they get coughs, especially night coughs. We call them nocturnal coughs. In this case, they don't require an antibiotic. Sometimes it can be due to acid reflux. Sometimes we call it GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. Some people, when they're asleep, sometimes they get that acid reflux, and as a response, they start coughing, especially at night. They feel like they're choking. They start coughing. So in this case, an antibiotic will have no role at all. Some people may be smoking, especially those ones who smoke. Sometimes they start getting that kind of a cough. So these people may not need an antibiotic. And lastly, these people, or rather, an antibiotic can only be required if there's an infection, especially bacteria, pneumonia, and some other chest conditions which can be bacterial. In this case now, once it has been diagnosed, then an antibiotic is required. Why do we say that an antibiotic is not something to take